Hi Fabs, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It's just us, me, Babe, and Sarah. Since Sarah doesn't want to go to sleep, she'll be included in this video today. And we are doing a challenge. I've been wanting to do this challenge for a while. For a while.
Really?
But we are just getting to do it. And I explained everything to Babe, so Babe is in on it. So, hey, by the title, you guys should know what it is. I've been seeing this challenge going around YouTube for a while. It's called Smash or Pass. And this is for adults, though I know it's only adults was my channel, so you guys should know what smash is and what pass is. You want to go down?
No, pass, you have it.
But you're going to trouble the tripod, don't you?
You have a pass.
Okay, so
In the next
Sarah
life.
gonna trouble the tripod. In the next life, if you would smash the person, or if you would cut your eye past them. What? You see Sarah moving the camera? Alright, so let's go. Smash or pass. We are doing celebrities of all different kind. Artists,
Movie,
athletes,
sports.
you name it. We gonna smash them or pass them. Alright, who go first? And
You want me to go first?
wait, I'll put the picture of who Babe threw it out and who I'm throwing out, so you guys know who we're talking about as Babe said the person. Alright.
I can start.
Wait.
Oh, you want to start?
No, you're gonna start.
Okay.
I'm scared.
Why are you scared of?
Come. Who is your first person?
So what should I do? I should show you the pictures?
No, just tell me the name.
I can tell
and
you.
then show me. Tell me the name first and then show me. Cause what if I don't know who it is?
Na 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 na.
Babe, go now.
Jimmy Fallon. This man, you know this man. You know this man.
Jimmy Fallon.
Jimmy Fallon.
Well, I'm gonna assume it's the younger Jimmy Fallon. No, Jimmy Fallon, no. Nah, pass.
Nah.
Not my type of guy. Pass. Jimmy Fallon. That was a good one. Alright. Smash or pass? Ashanti. Look at that.
Where you got this? Where you got this?
I know you love
Where you
Ashanti,
got
that's why
this?
you do that.
No.
Smash or pass Ashanti. I know you love Ashanti, so
I'm
I know what's
tell you
gonna be the
smash.
answer.
I'm not gonna pass.
And I hope you guys know that this is all in good fun. It's all in good fun. We're having a good laugh.
I'm sure I will have more smash than you.
I know you would say smash Ashanti because you love Ashanti.
I know I will have more smash than you.
Well, let's
let me
Your turn.
find somebody that you smash or pass. This one. Tombe, Mr. Pokoa, Matt
smash. So when you show me that picture of him,
Then you say pictures.
well, I don't like that picture of him.
Okay.
I don't like that picture of him, but the man Pakora, no.
Oh.
And I insert a picture, yes, girl.
Oh.
Smash. Oh, yes.
So mama, don't smash the pictures.
Next person. Serena Williams. Smash it or pass it. Come baby, talk of the things them. Look at him sweating.
What a man should say. What a man should say.
Tell me what you would say.
You pass.
Tell me.
Or you.
Tell me.
Or you. Or,
Talk faster, man.
I think I go in. I think I go in.
He go in. Going in. Alright.
Haha. Well, I have a particular picture. I believe the pictures will mean some things. But me, I take randomly person.
Go man, tell me. No, the picture won't mean nothing.
Mr. Beyonce. Jay-Z.
Jay-Z. No, not even in millions.
Jay-Z. No. No.
Not my kind of guy.
Okay.
No.
Okay.
No.
Not even for one night?
Not even one night stand.
Okay.
No. No. Nah.
Okay.
Nah. Well,
Okay.
since you give me the husband, I'm gonna give you the wife. Beyonce. Baby's gonna smash the entire list.
I'm not gonna pass. Who pass? Who pass? Who pass?
Me?
You pass?
Come, Beyonce.
I don't pass. I don't pass.
You said, babe, smash that all on the floor. Smash that. Give me some moves. Smash that.
You put only person to smash?
No, I put realistic people.
That's not realistic, people. You're talking about smack that, so I'm gonna tell you Eminem. Eminem. Not the blondie. Eminem. You want the picture?
No, I don't want a picture, but Eminem. I always say Eminem kind of look like me, but he hates when I say that. But smashing Eminem, no. Eminem look kind of gangster, and I'm not the gangster guy kind of girl. No.
No.
Pass.
You pass?
No.
Then you pass everybody.
Pass. honest.
You pass everybody.
Okay. Next person for you.
To
Wendy
pass.
Williams.
I was sure she would be on the list. I was sure she will be on the list.
Wendy.
No, this time I'm gonna pass. This time I'm gonna pass. Run away! Run away!
This is not even funny. Alright, your turn.
My turn. Martin Lawrence. The young or the old? The big or the slim?
Okay. The young Martin Lawrence. Yes. Smash that.
Yes.
The Martin Lawrence? No.
It's like the Eddie Murphy. He take the same way than the Eddie Murphy.
Exactly. See, I have one smash. Okay. Next on my list is Aya. You don't know who is Aya? Oh!
I pass.
Alright.
But you know, a woman can also. Well, I pass.
Okay.
I pass.
Understandably.
I pass. Sorry. I have somebody. Somebody for you.
Sleep. Who?
Your favorite man, Jack Bauer.
Yes!
So what?
Jack Bauer, yes!
Yes.
Kiefer Sutherland in real life, yes!
Yes.
Yes! Jack would be my protector. Yes, to Jack Bauer, yes. Okay. Next person, J-Lo. J-Lo.
Oh, I don't run away. I run to it.
Smash that.
Smash.
Baby's killing me.
What should I say?
Why? Be smashing all over the place. I'm giving it too much nice girl.
Oh, you want nice boy? I just give you some nice.
Look how much sexy young hot boy and he might give me about Jimmy Fallon. I
have to put some man I don't know because I have another one that
alright,
I don't know.
What?
A Vybz Kartel? A Vybz Kartel? I was hesitating between Vybz Kartel and Sean Paul. So I finally choose Vybz Kartel.
No, pass.
No.
Pass. Vybz Kartel, I'm a G. I'm going to listen to his music every day. But it's a pass.
It's
Smash or pass? That's definitely a pass.
Your pipes.
No respect, boss.
Nothing.
No respect, boss. Gaza me live, but
a Portmore boy.
Gaza me say, but no, me not smash your boss. Not smash that. No. No boy.
Okay.
Nope.
Okay.
Nope.
Okay.
Okay. Since him pull for a Jamaican artist,
Hold on.
I'm gonna pull for one.
Smash. Hold on.
What you do?
I put
Oh.
Smash.
Alright. You don't hear who yet, but you smash. Shensia. Shensia. You thinking?
Yeah.
You passing up on Shensia? Alright, let me let you think.
No, it's a mixed feeling. I'm gonna say a smash.
Oh, Shensia. I don't even know how much we read.
I mean, I don't really know her. I mean, the only pictures I see of her is fake booty and all of these things.
I'm booty of here.
Well, that's what the pictures make it.
That's a spice and then you that's a fake booty.
Oh, spice, I run away. But I saw her one time at the airport, and at the airport she was more smash. In reality, she looks more prettier. She looks more real than all of the pictures that pop up on my phone.
Okay, so it's a what?
It's a yes.
It's a yes, Shen. Alright, go, your turn.
My turn. Who remain? This one you know, this one you know, this one too, this one too, this one too, this one too. Okay. This one they're gonna be a pass for sure. So I'm gonna change. That's gonna be a pass for sure. You want to know?
Well, do your thing, you decide.
Well, that's gonna be a pass.
Maybe it's funny.
Oh yes, that's funny. The man looks old and young in the same times.
Oh.
Is money. And money. Floyd. I have pictures for
Floyd
you.
Mayweather, no. It's a pass for me.
It's a pass. He'll smash you. He will smash you. It's a pass.
It's a pass for me.
So you don't want somebody who get 600 million?
I don't care for his money. It's a pass for me. No, girl. It's a pass for me.
It's a pass for you?
Yeah.
I have a lot of pass.
Alright.
Next two remain.
Next person is Natasha Hastings. Oh.
Yeah.
My husband just be smashing all over the globe. I don't really.
You really expected me to say no? You really? She just have a baby.
Alright.
This one will be a pass. A smash.
Oh, what you thinking dishing out my answer.
I was trying to get the ugliest pictures. Mr. Will Smith.
Oh, it's a smash! It's a smash!
Say it again.
It's a smash! It's a smash!
Mama, smash!
Willard is my boy. Willard is my boy. Spice.
Spice?
Jamaican artist, Spice.
Oh, the one you told me earlier?
Alright, no.
Yeah.
Rihanna.
I'd rather you say Spice than Rihanna. Because Rihanna, you know, is a smash. Spice, you don't know if it's a smash or a pass.
What is
so
it?
It's a pass.
How can you pass up Spice? You know how much Spice, baby?
No?
Why?
Because me already have Sensia. She don't want, I don't want.
Yeah,
I don't want.
You know what Spice, I should see a fight.
No. No.
Alright, we're going towards the last one.
Last one
for you.
Last one is really interesting. It's a really interesting because it's in the movie that we watched together.
Okay.
There's a girl, there's a boy. Of course, the girl has smash. And the girl and the boy, let's see. Scandal. President Fitz.
No! No!
It's more mature.
You don't want Smash President Fitz. President Fitz too awkward. He's too awkward, Fitzgerald.
Okay.
No, leave that to Olivia Pope.
Okay.
Alright. Last person is Cardi B. Okay.
Cardi B.
Okay. Hey, you're torn?
You have to show me your pictures because...
You're torn?
Show me a nice picture.
Okay. That's for this weekend.
Okay.
Come talk the things them.
Okay.
Cardi B. Okay.
Okay, if I have one night to spend. If I have one night to spend.
Well, it's safe to say my husband is a smasher.
You say in another life.
It's safe to say my husband will be a smasher in another life.
I'm not selective. So
why you asking?
No, but it's too...
You thinking about all the smashes?
In the same time, it's like caviar or caviar. Or caviar.
Sarah, your papa is a smasher.
Sorry.
This video was so much fun.
Sorry.
Anyway, you guys, don't be sorry.
There were no suspense.
Well, there was a lot of suspense in mine. I was expecting those guys, but okay. Anyway, you guys, this was so much fun. I laughed so hard. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new, catch up and keep up with the fam bam. And if there's any more challenges going around that you guys would like for us to do for a good laugh, comment down below and let us know. We'll see you guys in our next video. Bye, guys. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye, guys. Bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. That was so much fun.